Hi scholars, happy Friday. Today is May 15th, 2020. For math, today we will be doing Module 5, Lesson 19. Our objective is I can explore numbers on the Reckon Rack. We're going to start today by doing some workout with our brains in our fluency. We're going to do 2 fluency activities, then we'll do our concept development, and then we'll talk about independent work. So make sure you stay here for all 4 of those things. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to count to 100 by ones. Then we're going to do our hide 0 cards for our teen numbers and bigger numbers to 100. All right, so we're going to count by ones to all the way to 100. When we get to the end or the last number in each row, we're going to say beep, okay? Now, we're going to do a little fun because today's Fun Friday. First, we're going to count by the regular way using our regular voices. Count with me. I'll use my black marker to show you where I'm counting, but you can just use your pointer finger. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beep or buzz. I'm sorry, I said beep. We're going to say buzz, like the yellow jacket for defiance. Okay. All right, now we're going to talk in our monster voices. Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, buzz. Now we're going to talk in our mouse voices. All right, here we go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, buzz. All right, now we're going to talk in our, let's do scholar voices again. Here we go. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, buzz. Now let's do it in our slow motion voices. Here we go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, buzz. That was a good one. All right, let's keep counting. Let's do our loud and proud voices. Here we go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Come on, I can hear you. 57, 58, 59, 60, buzz. Now let's do our quiet whisper voices. Are you ready? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, buzz. Nice job. Now you make up whatever voice you do at home for the next one. Miss Pierce will count regular. You can make up your own voice, but make sure you're counting. Here we go. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, buzz. Now make up a different voice, one you haven't done yet. Here we go. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, buzz. Make up a different voice. Make this one the best one. It's our last one. Here we go. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, buzz. Nice job. All right. Now we're going to be doing our hide 0 cards with our bigger numbers. We've only done hide 0 cards with our smaller numbers. Now we're going to use our bigger numbers. What number do you see? Good, 37. How do we say that number the say 10 way? Awesome, it's 3 tens 7. 37. is 30, or 3, 10, 7 is, good, let's do another one. What number do you see? Good, 61. How do we say that number the say 10 way? Give yourself a pat on the back if you said 6 tens 1. 61 is 6 tens 1. What number do you see? Good, you see 25. So how do we say that number the say 10 way? Did you say 2 tens 5? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. 25 is 2 tens 5. Ooh, this is a big number. What number is this? You got it. It's 98. How would I say that number the say 10 way? You're right. 9 tens 8. The 8 is hiding that 0 that's in the number 90, or 9 tens. Awesome work. Go ahead and take a little stretch, and we'll go ahead and get started with our work for the day. You're about halfway done, so keep working hard on our video. All right, I'm going to show you 7 on my rack and rack. I can show you by using our 5 and then 2 more to make 7. Okay, now I'm going to move that next row over. I'm going to move all 10. Okay, so notice now I have all my 10 over. So I have 7 on the top and 10 on the bottom. How many beads are on that side? How many beads did I pull over? If I have 7 on the top and 10 on the bottom. You're right, I pulled over 17, or 10, 7. Now I'm going to move 1 over from my 7 group. So I had 7 on top. I moved 1 over. That means 1 less. I do see 5 and 1 more. How many are at the top? Good, I have 6 at the top. That's one of my parts. And then what number, how many did I have at the bottom that I moved over? Yeah, that's my group of 10. So what number, or how many, are on the left side? How many did I pull over? You're right, 16. How do I say that number the say 10 way? Use your groups or your parts to help you. You can look here and see that you have your 10 right here at the bottom. And how many are at the top? You're right, 6. So we would say the 16 is 10, 6. Good. I'm going to put 1 more over, and I'm going to erase that group there. Good. So if I moved 1 over, now I have 1 less at the top. I had 6. I moved 1 over. How many are at the top? Good, that part is 5. And how many are at the bottom? Still my 10 group. I haven't moved them. You're right. Very good. So I have 5 on the top and 10 on the bottom. How many does that make altogether on the left? Wow, that was so quick. I do have 15. How would I say 15 the say 10 way? You're right. I didn't even have to circle them this time. 10, 5. 10 being this part on this line, and the 5 being up here. 10, 5 makes 15. Good job. I'm going to slide 1 more over. How many are on the top? 4. Good. How many on the bottom? Good. Your 10 group. How many are all together? Wow, 14. You got it. And how do I say that number the say 10 way? 14 is, excellent, 10, 4. Let's keep going. I'm going to slide another one over. How many on the top? Good. The first part is 3. How many on the bottom? Good. 10. Well, 10 and 3. What number does that make? 13. You got it. How would I say 13 the say 10 way? 10, 3. Good job. If I move another one over, notice that top row is getting smaller and smaller. How many do I have at the top? Good. 3. 1 less is 2. So I have 2. How many on the bottom? 5 or 10. Good. I almost tricked you. I have 10 at the bottom. So what does 2 and 10 make? 12. Very good. And 12, how do I say that the say 10 way? Oh, you're right. 10, 2. Good work. And if I move that one over, how many at the top? Good. How many at the bottom? Yes. So we have 1 on the top and 10 on the bottom. What number does that make? 11. Yeah. There's lots of ways we could have subitized that one. What is 11 the Satan way? Easy. 10, 1. Good. Okay. Now we're going to do a couple practices of finding the teen number hiding inside a bigger number. Your independent work will have a lot of this practice today on there, so make sure you're with me so you know exactly what to do for independent work. Okay, I can see here I have smiley faces. Wow, they're all nice and neat in groups of 10. And then I have some extra ones at the bottom. That will help me to do my counting. So I see I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, and then I have 4 extra at the bottom. So I have 4 10s 4. What bigger number is 4 10s 4? You're right, it's 44. 44 is 4 10s 4. Well, remember, we're trying to find the teen number that's hiding inside the bigger number. The teen number. Well, we learned a long time ago that teen numbers are 10 and then a couple extra, or the extra ones that don't make a set of 10. So I have my set of 10 that I circled right here. That is 10, and then I have 10 1, which makes 11, 10 2, which makes 12, 10 3, which makes 13, and then 10 4, which makes 14. So 14 would be my teen number that's hiding inside the number 44. 14 is hiding right here with a set of 10 and then the extra ones. We still have our 3 sets of 10, but the teen number that's hiding inside is 14, or 10 4. All right. All right, let's do another one. Finding the teen number that's hiding inside a bigger number. Now you can see I have moons, pictures of moons, but they're all over the place. I don't know where my set of 10 is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count 10 and put them into a group. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle them so I know that that's a set of 10. Okay. I wonder if I can make another set of 10 with my extra moons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can. So I'm going to circle those to make my set of 10. And then I have some extra ones. I wonder how many extra ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I have 2 sets of 10, so 2 10s and 7, what number does 2 10s 7 make? 2 10s 7. Right, it makes 27. 27 is my bigger number, or how many moons I have all together. Now my job is to find a teen number that's hiding inside. Well, I know a teen number is 10 and then my extra ones. So I'm going to need a set of 10. I'm going to circle my set of 10 with my red marker. And I already know this is a set of 10 because remember we counted them and we had 10. We can always double check if we need to. So there's my 10. And then, oh, I need my other ones. So would I circle the ones on the left, that is a group of 10? Or would I circle the ones on the right, which are my leftover 7, or my extra 7? You're right, I would circle these 7 to show I have 10, 7. Okay, so there's my teen number. 10, 7. Okay, so we have 7. What number does 10, 7 make? You're right, 10, 7 makes 17. 17 is the teen number that is hiding in 27. Okay, good work. All right, so like I said, on your independent work, you're going to be writing how many you have all together. So you can see up here on the first one, They wrote that there was 33 altogether. We know that that's 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, and then 3 extra, which makes 3 10s 3, or 33. So we have 33 altogether. Well, 33, we have to find the teen number that's hiding inside, and we have to circle it. Well, remember, a teen number is your 10 and then the extra ones. So that's 10 3. 10 3 is hiding inside of 33. So you're going to draw a line from 33 to the teen number that's hiding inside, or 13. Let's do the hearts. So I can see I have 5, 10. So there's that group of 10. Okay? And then I have 5 and 10 more. So there's another group of 10. And then I have 1 more. So if I have 1 10, 2 10s, and 1, 2 10s, 1, what number does 2 10s, 1 make? Great, it makes 21. Well, now I need to find the teen number that's hiding inside. Well, I know a teen number is my group of 10, so I'm going to circle this group of 10 right here. And then I'm also going to circle my extra. So I have 10 1. 10 1 is hiding inside. What number is 10 1? What teen number is that? You're right, it's 11. So you would draw a line from your 21 to your 11. Very good. Which is right there. Okay, then you'll do the rest of them. Count how many first, write it here, and then find your 10 and your extra ones to match the teen number. All right, you'll do the same thing on page 138. This one says, write the number you see. Now draw one more and write the new number. You can see the example at the top to show you exactly how to do that. You're working on one more. And then on page 139, you will have an exit ticket that you need to send to Miss Pierce. This exit ticket looks just like the first page that we just did as a couple examples. If you have any questions on this page, make sure you ask Miss Pierce. And when it's all done, you can send me a picture and I'd love to see your work. All right, scholars, happy Friday. I hope you had a great spirit week. Go ahead and rest those brains and get lots of rest this week. Have a good weekend. Bye.